In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to promote a YouTube video with Google Ads, whether you're a content creator looking to expand your reach, or just want to give your latest project the attention it deserves. Using Google Ads is a powerful way to get your video in front of more eyes. First, let's get started by heading over to Google Ads homepage. You can easily find this by typing Google Ads into your preferred search engine and clicking on the official link. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see a rather inviting option to get customers and sell more with online advertising. This is your gateway to boosting your video's visibility across YouTube and the wider web. Next, you'll need to sign in. If you already have a Google account, simply click sign in at the top of the page. If you don't have one yet, it's time to create one. Having a Google account is essential as it allows you to access all the features Google Ads provides. Once signed in, you'll be directed to the Google Ads homepage. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout as there's a wealth of tools and options available to tailor your advertising needs. Now, look to the menu bar at the top. You'll want to click on Tools, which will open up a range of additional settings and features. This section acts like the control room for your ad campaigns, offering various tools to help optimize your advertising strategy. So, feel free to explore and become acquainted with what's available here. After clicking on Tools, navigate over to the Data Manager. This tool is invaluable as it helps you organize and analyze your ad campaigns, ensuring you can keep track of your ads' performance and make data-driven decisions for better campaign results. Moving on, the next step is crucial, selecting YouTube from the Data Manager menu. This choice specifically targets your campaign towards YouTube viewers. By focusing your initial efforts here, you can reach a larger audience who are more likely to engage with your video content. This option ensures that your promotion is channeled to the right audience, increasing the likelihood of higher engagement rates on your video. And there you have it, you're all set to start launching your YouTube ad campaign. With these tools at your disposal, you can analyze your campaign's performance and refine your strategy as necessary to achieve the best possible outcome. Remember to monitor your ad's progress and make adjustments as needed to ensure optimal performance. Thank you for joining me today to learn how to promote your YouTube video with Google Ads. Be sure to leave any questions or comments down below, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials on how to navigate the digital marketing realm. Happy promoting!